Do you want your own little slice of land to do whatever you want, whether it's ride four-wheelers or shoot or camp or just get out and enjoy nature? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take a look at one of my new listings just outside of Bamberg, South Carolina. It's just over 5 acres and it is an absolute true little slice of heaven. And if you act fast, you can buy it. All right, so stay tuned. You're gonna learn more today. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Low Country? Whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the current market here in the South Carolina Low Country. My name is David Simcox, host of Low Country Lifestyles and a local realtor. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you and you and you and you looking to make their move here to the South Carolina Low Country, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're making your move in 3 days or 3 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below, so I can help you find your low country lifestyle. So today we are actually taking a little drive a ways outside of my normal territory, and we're actually going to Bamberg County. And this is not an area that I normally work. We're just outside of a little town called Bamberg, South Carolina, but I have a really good friend who's a musician and I've done some other real estate work for. And he said, hey David, I've got this piece of land. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's out by Bamberg. Can you help me sell it? And I said, well, hey man, that's not my normal area, but I know that Bamberg is less than an hour and a half from some of the hottest locations here, including Hilton Head Island, Bluffton, Savannah, Georgia, even Columbia, South Carolina, Augusta, Georgia. And you know, I think there's a lot of people that would drive an hour to an hour and a half to come out and have their own little slice of paradise out here. So this is about 5.3 acres. It's kind of a long stretch of land. We're gonna go out, we're gonna walk around, check out the land, check out some of the surrounding roads in the little town, and get some drone photos. And if you act fast, you can buy this for a very affordable price. Otherwise, if it's already sold by the time you watch this video, then hey, I hope you enjoy just getting to experience some of this absolutely beautiful scenery. So let's keep going. All right, so I'm right here at the front of the property, and along one side of the property, you'll see this big, absolutely gorgeous field going down here. And then you make your way over to the gate, and the current owner did a ton of land clearing in here. He added this front fencing area that you can see behind me, also added this gate for security. And this is right on a really beautiful little dirt road going back here. And the dirt road is not far to the blacktop. So it's really not a super long dirt road, but let's keep going and explore this property a little bit more. All right, now as we make our way back through this property, you can see just how absolutely gorgeous this is. The current owner cleared a bunch of this land out, and he had some heavy equipment that he brought in here. This was nothing but trees and nothing but forest, but he cleared all this out and created this absolutely beautiful pathway down through the woods back to what could be a home site, or maybe you just want to put a camper back there and have like a weekend getaway. Really, it's whatever you could imagine. You could ride four-wheelers back here. You could shoot guns if that's what you're into. Really, your imagination dictates it. But it is absolutely beautiful out here. And if I'm quiet for just a second, you're gonna hear just how peaceful and beautiful it is out here in nature. The other thing that I really love about this property is it's remote, but it's also very close to some of the hottest destinations here in the Southeast. So if you live in Bluffton or Hilton Head Island or Savannah, Georgia, or Augusta, or even Columbia, you're less than an hour and a half away from all of those destinations here. So if you want to live there, but you want like a really cool hideaway spot on the weekends, for a very, very, very affordable price. I mean, check this out. This could be yours. All right, so now I'm towards the back of the property, and you can see the current owner has cleared out a lot of this land right in here. This could be the spot of a little house or a cabin or an RV site or whatever you want to put back here, but it is just absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the sun is just kind of peeking through the trees. But either way, I hope you enjoyed touring this property. All right, now that we've toured the land just a little bit, let's hop back in the car, let's drive around and get a feel for some of the surrounding landscape, and maybe even pop into town to see what Bamberg looks like. All right, guys, thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful piece of property just outside of Bamberg and taking a drive around and getting to know this little town and this little area. And again, if I can help you find your low country lifestyle, be sure and like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the current market here in the South Carolina low country. And if you'd like to speak with me, just give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below. And again, until next time, my name is David Simcox, host of Low Country Lifestyles and a local realtor. And I really, really, really enjoyed spending time with you today. Have a wonderful day.